Is the UV grip from SUPCASE going to be worth it for your Galaxy Flip 7? Let's find out. So first off, what I noticed about the UV grip for the Flip 7 is that the front right here, or the top part of the case, does have a tempered glass screen protector. So the whole top piece of the back part of your phone is fully protected. And you can see right here that around that piece, you also do get raised edges. So if you drop your phone camera lens side down, it is going to hit that raised edge piece first, giving your camera lenses a lot more protection. If you look right here on the bottom, you also do have a MagSafe ring. So this is going to be perfect for wireless charging or any MagSafe accessories that you do have. In the middle here, you do get a bumper too, which also auto locks. So when you do flip your phone up and down, it'll lock into place. And it also has a piece that flips out into a built-in kickstand, so you can actually watch your movies, videos, etc. When it comes to drop protection or the perimeter of the case, you also do have a lot of protection there too. You can see right here, you get bumpers along the whole corners of the case. So each corner of the case does have a bumper here. Going to be perfect for shock absorption if you drop your phone on the sides of the case or the ends of it. And last but not least, you do get a lot of grip when it comes to the case. You can see right here, you have that ribbed pattern that's going to be all along the sides of the case. But overall, if you are looking for a really good daily case for your Flip 7, I definitely would recommend this one. It has everything you need when it comes to protection. Also really easy to store in tight spaces, your pockets, etc. Locks automatically on the back, really easy to flip together as well with it on. It's going to be a great daily case. Definitely would recommend it.